Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's Vechain video update. The last time I talked about Vechain, we actually analyzed this bear flag right now, right? So if you're new to the channel, I'm just gonna do this bear flag with you. So hang on. So here we are, bear flag, and it's bear saying hi. Pick. What the hell? Bear flag. Oh yeah, this is me. I actually googled a bear back in the days, because the bears are saying hi. The bears are saying hi. So here we are. Yeah, it's saying hi, hello. So the bears are actually right on the corner. So kiss the bulls goodbye. And right now, bear flag is what we're talking about, not a bear flag saying hi or a bear flag saying. What am I saying, man? Gibberish. So the pole is like this, the red, and then you make that movement, and then you break the pole to go to the downside. How picture perfect that really looks like. So from here to here, it wasn't a extended flag right here for some few days. It stayed there for a while and built some positions, broke to the downside, and this is what you're looking for. So from there to there, this is where the breakout really happened. And right now, we do have a technical target to actually come down to 0.02. I'm actually going to remove all the drawings right now and diving into the 4-hour time frame as well. And the 4-hour time frame also speaks another flag. So here we are, and it's another shorting opportunity probably. And here we are. So this is another flag in the making right there. So from there to there and from there to there, that's another flag. And we're looking for Vechain to again come in from there to there. And that's a technical journey to drop all the way down to this level, which is going to be 0.02217. But the main technical target has already been discussed with you. So double bear flag, double trouble. That's pretty much it for this quick update. It sums for Vechain, and that's it for the update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.